Hey, what's up, guys? Today is November the 11th. I'm off my little vacation. So anyway, November 11th today. What is today? Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday. We're out here in Suwannee. We went out to Grayson this morning. Screen and Recoat. We're going to be doing this Saturday, and then we also have another consultation this afternoon. So I came out here a few weeks ago. This is the residence of Mr. Greg, his wife Susan. We're going to be doing a screen and Recoat small job, just a kitchen and a foyer. We're going to be going with a semi-gloss RadCoat and UV cure. So anyway, guys, let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we're in Suwannee, Georgia, okay? Again, went out to Grayson before we came here, and he booked his appointment for this Saturday, screen and recoat with color correction, but no UV cure. But on this job, we're gonna be doing screen and recoat with UV cure, and this is the job that we're doing. So it's a small job, guys. It's this kitchen area. Now we do have some water damage. My client does know that it's not going to come out. Those boards are just rotten from water damage from the dishwasher. Got a little wear here coming out the back door. Sun damage, again, does not come out. Now, but this is an engineered floor, so this floor cannot be sanded. So the only option besides screen and recoating would be to replace it. And that's something that a lot of people don't want to go through because the floors are glued down, and it takes a lot to get these floors off the concrete of the foundation. So, all right, guys. We're gonna go ahead and get started, and like I said, we have a consultation we're gonna go do. We're gonna go do once we get the coating down here and come back and then do the UV cure. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Shining night, shine that floor bright. Out in Suwannee, Georgia, the wood was looking tired, but we're rolling smooth with that UV fire. Screened it down easy, above the grain just fine. Then the RadCoat Pro hit, now that floor's divine. We don't say no more, we just shine and ride. 2 coats deep, let that semi-gloss glide. One day job, yeah, the glow don't fade. UV gunslingers riding that trail. Hand on the buffer, heart full of pride. We cure in seconds, not overnight. From the dust to the gleam, they would come alive. Truman style, baby, we keep it high vibe. RadCoat flowing, lights burning bright. That's Suwannee flow, looking out of sight. No waiting, no pain, just that instant shine. UV cured, cowboy blues, riding the line came. Come on.
Looking good out there? Okay. And then come check it out over here.
Oh, wow, that was nice.
Yes, sir. See how much better the floors look?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir.
And this thing is practically gone right here.
Yep, almost, yep.
I'm happy.
Well, thank you, Greg. All right, so what we're going to do is go ahead and start the UV cure. This will probably take 15, 20 minutes,
Okay.
and we'll be wrapping up.
Okay.
All right.
That's great.
All right, guys, that's what it's about. You know, again, when you work for clients that understand. Greg did a lot of research. We talked for quite when he found me. He did watch a lot of my videos. And so he already knew, again, the water damage, but it's not that bad. But he's very happy with the results. You just heard him. And again, guys, this is what the screen of Recoat does. Just gives the floors more life. I'm going to give it a the RadCoat is one of the best finishes on the market. He went with a semi-gloss finish, so it has a nice gloss sheen to it. And we're about to do the UV cure now. And again, another happy client. So when that green light comes on, ready for UV cure. And what this does, guys, this instantly cures the finish. So most women understand, like when they go get their nails done and they put their nails under that light, it instantly cures the finish. And we can also feel it too. Like when you walk on certain parts of the floor, it feels a little tacky. But as soon as that UV cure machine hits that finish, the floors are very slick and very hard. All right, guys. Well, that's gonna do it. Right now, just building the schedule up for November. So we do have a job we're going to be doing Saturday. I think we might have one Friday, but if not, I know next week we already got 5 on the schedule next week. All right. All right, guys. Another happy client. See you in the next one.